hard left turn, continue turning hard left, through the wall, straight through the wall, hard right, and stay to the right past the first jump. Left, back to the right, back to the left, right hard left, round to the right, and brakes to the hard left. Hard, hard, hard left. There you go, good, much better. And carry, slow down a little, carry some speed. There you go, nice. Right, that's okay. Slow down, to the right, and back to the power. Brakes, roll a little bit of speed. Ease on the power to the finish. Raw time was a 58.4, but we missed it. We went outside that one column, so it was a DNF. But
yeah.
no worries.
58.001.
So we're done, huh?
Yeah. If you want, go ahead and pull it back up into the parking spot.